Marathon Digital Holdings, ticker MARA, is down nearly 12% today. Now, what are some key support and resistances we want to be paying attention to? So, if we push to the downside, we do have supports, not quite where we are now, around $11, but we would want to see a further sell-off to around $9, which would be $8.95, would be that first support we're paying attention to. If we go lower, we're then looking at $7.90. And if we can do a further push to the downside, that would be $5.45. Now, you might be thinking that's quite a strong move in a stock like this. But again, don't forget, this does move quite similar to cryptocurrency in general. So if you start to see pullbacks in Bitcoin, you're most likely going to see a pullback on this stock. And again, just depending on where those values are, decides how much this stock can sell off. If you go back to January, December last year, this stock was sitting around $3. So, all the way down here. So it definitely can do that kind of downside move. And that's why we're looking at the supports of 5.45, 7.90, and 8.95. So those are the key supports. Now, what are going to be targets or potential short bias levels? So if we push to the upside, we have targets at $15.95 and $19. Now, these would be the first deviations to the upside. Now, again, these can be used in multiple ways, these sorts of levels. So if you're if you're a long bias trader, you might wanting to buy up these supports and trade through the targets of $16 and $19. On the other hand, you may be more like me, and that's being a reversal trader, and so that's going to be looking to short these sorts of levels and look to trade them back down to some sort of a fair value.